December on Wednesday, but I'm going to collect some things for Christmas this week, so I thought I would start this vlog off today. I might not be vlogging all week, but I will be vlogging today, but this week coming up will be so busy. I've just filmed a fashion video too, and I need to edit it, so I'll put the clips in now. That is a sneak peek to the video coming soon. I think it should be already out by the time, because I needed to film it now before Vlogmas and Christmas videos start, because it's going in between the first couple of videos. So that will be already out. So if you want to see the full version, I'll link my Christmas 2021 playlist down below. It will be public now, because I don't know when this vlog will be going up, but the videos are starting. Let's put it that way. The Vlogmas is now here, and it's crazy that when we're nearly, well, me in the present right now, it's like 4 days till the countdown of Christmas. By the time you're watching this, we're in the countdown to Christmas. And then it's nearly 2022. That's crazy. Crazy. But I've got a lot planned today. It's only 2 minutes till 11:30. And I filmed the video. I need to edit it, do voiceover. I'm going to do some coasters today, so I'll show you some of that. And I'm going to film some other videos. Also need to put the clothes away. But I'm going to chill out for a bit first. So I'll see you when I'm doing something. Daddy! Ozzy awfully clever girl. Going on walks. So it's the next second day from the last time I filmed, and I'm gonna sort out my clothes because they really need sorted out. And I've just placed an order on Boohoo, but I don't think the order will be in this vlog, but I will be doing random vlogs during Vlogmas because that's part of what it is. But I will be doing Vlogmas and Videomas, so I'm putting up some videos and I'm putting up some vlogs, random vlogs and random, well not random, but like a bit of both. Sorry for the shakiness. But let's get to sorting my clothes out. And then tomorrow I'm collecting the Christmas tree. I'm debating on putting it on... I'm obviously going to put it on my bed when I come back, but I'm debating on putting it in this vlog or do a full-on video of decorating my room with me for Christmas. You will find out, but I will also be going to the shops tomorrow to collect it, so that will definitely be in this vlog. And I'm also going to probably be doing the chocolate house kit. So there's a lot still coming up in this vlog. I'm starting to realise, you can't even see me, I don't need this many tops and I've already ordered a jumper. I would love to wear all these tops, but realistically, like, I don't really wear them. My fashion has changed over the year, or over just 1 year. So I need to try and like get rid of most of it. Or like at least like 4 items. My sister got me this. How cute! Socks, Dumbo. I'm gonna end this vlog here. I know my vlogs are not like every single day. I'm doing a mixture of vlogs and videos, but I hope you enjoy them anyway, and I'm hoping you're enjoying the normal Christmas videos as well. There'll be more of them coming soon, but I'm gonna end it here. In the next vlog, I will be decorating I will definitely be decorating the chocolate house. I've just been really busy this week getting Christmas stuff and everything, but I'm definitely going to do it. It will be in the next vlog though. But I hope you enjoyed this vlog and give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you next time. Bye!